What's going on, guys? This is Coach Kev. On this video, I'm going to break down to you guys how you set up a credit repair ad on Instagram. So make sure you have your Facebook as well as your Instagram app already downloaded and they're synced, and you have a business page for your Instagram. So let's go ahead and go to here. Now we're going to go to your stories, put a post up. Let's say that. I'll put it up again. Let's put this post up. You're going to hit send. You're going to hit share. Done. Now you're going to go back to your stories. Down here at the bottom where you see those three dots, hit promote, or hit more rather. Then hit promote. Then you're going to go to direct messages. The reason why I don't send them to the website, because most people won't sign up, and I don't want to send them to my profile because I need to have a dialogue with them to make sure we can actually help them with credit restoration. So I'll go direct message, hit next. And then I'll go to, it's telling me automatically target my people on my followers on my Instagram. Nope. I just want to go here where it says create your own. And then I'll put credit, ad, test, 1 April. Now location, regional, and then just type in United States. And then, hit United States so it pops up under there. Hit done. Don't worry about the 230 million. We're going to condense that. Now, we're going to go down to where it says interest. Now, this is important because it's credit repair. We want to focus on that specific niche. So what I like to do is Credit Karma. Everybody gets on Credit Karma. The other thing I like to do, I like to kind of piggyback off of that same little concept. So let's say they're renting, right? So let's see, anything associated to forrent.com. We could go to just renting. You know what? Let's go to rent to own. These people rent to own. They're looking for that type of thing. And you can also do Credit Sesame, right? Now, these are people who our goal is to get them up for the credit repair service. So you're going to hit done. Now you're going to bring up the age. So I always bring it up to about 27 and then I'll bring this down till about maybe 50. It's a round number. I like 50. And then if you want more females, just uncheck the male. If you want more males, just uncheck the females. I like to keep them both. But I do want to let you know, majority of my team are women. And they're powerful women. So I highly recommend every now and then, maybe on test 2, you put everything else in, but take off male and just bring in women. And that'll bring you a lot of powerful women as well. But you can leave them both on. I'm using this as an example, so I think you should do it as well. But you can mix it up. Now everything is done. You can kind of take another look at it. Now we're going to hit done. Now, again, I won't change it to where it says special requirements. This is credit. There's some mixed reviews. Some people say that, it stops your ad in the middle of it. Say some don't. So I just let it be. If it stops it, then I'll do special requirements. But it hasn't yet, so I'm going to keep it going. Let's go next. Now, this is super important. Now, you could do $5 a day, $10 a day, 30. Now, I do usually 50 a day. And then I'll do 15 days or 30 days. It doesn't really matter. Well, it kind of does, because then you could pause it for a longer period of time. So let's just go right here for 30. Don't let it scare you, right? And then hit next. And then you're going to hit create promotion. Your payment has to be set up and all that. Now you're just waiting for the promotion. So now the next thing that I'll do, so it's about 9 o'clock. I gotta go. We got a training happening right now. So then I'll go here to my little alarm to set my alarm. So then what I'll do is I'll set an alarm for midnight for me to pause credit ad on IG, right? Done. Save. Now I'm going to get a message when it's time for me to check that. So let's go to the ads manager. And as you guys can see here, it's in review, right? It is in review. Oh, it's active already? Oh, snap. That's awesome. That's crazy. Is that real? Yeah. Oh man, that's cool. That's the fastest I ever seen that. All right, guys. So be careful. And this will tell you up here how much per money you invested per day. And you could pause it. Let's say you only want to spend $5. You pause it at 5, and then tomorrow you unpause it. And then when you feel like you spend $5, then you pause. That way, the reason why I put a lot of money there is because that allows, remember, Instagram wants to put your ad in front of as many people as possible, right? So they're going to push it because you remember originally we put $50 a day, right? They want to push your ad in front of as many people as possible. So that's why I put a lot of money per day. But then I'll show you guys how you should be able to pause your ad and control how much money you want to spend per day. So it's the same thing. It's just you're kind of tricking the system. So I hope this helped you guys. I appreciate you. And listen, if you follow what I'm telling you to do, man, it's going to be a game changer for you. All right. Make sure you teach this to your team.